So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn off Face ID on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, go to the home screen here, go to the top right, press on the profile icon. Then on this page, press on settings. And then under account info, go ahead and press on login and security. So on this page right here where it says Face ID, add Face ID for faster login, for me it is turned on. If you go ahead and tap on the slider bar right here and turn it off, I'll go ahead and press on yes. Now all of a sudden my Face ID has been turned off, so the little white circle will be on the left side of the little bar here. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to turn off Face ID on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.